I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame, though it might be nice to own a jet.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And basically, if you like car repair videos, or you like the idea of following what I'm getting up to with my ZXs, please consider subscribing because it helps the channel grow. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to ring the bell icon so you can be notified of all my future uploads. So what am I up to today? Well, it's a bit of a tedious task, but it's one that needs to be done nevertheless. And I have decided to reroute all the interior wiring and put all that back. And I'm going to be depending what time we've got and stuff like that, we'll be putting some of the engine bay wiring back in as well. So we'll show you how to do this now. So as you guys know, the wiring has been loosely fitted because I was going to put the sound deadening in first, but we've also got these what I call extension cables because we've done all the rear wiring, and that's in a previous video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run these cables down where they should go, that side and that side. We're then going to put all these other wires back in, put all these door pod wires back in, and just get it set up ready and lined up where it needs to be, basically, with all the wires running around, because we've got this door pod to put in as well, and we've got these wires that connect to they connect, I think they connect to the dash console wiring, but that won't be going in until the sound deadening is definitely done. But there's no reason why we can't do this wiring for now. So I think I'm going to put you on the tripod. So the first things first, we put some of this back already. I'm going to put that there because I'm not entirely sure where that one goes just yet. But this cable here needs to go behind the seat belt, like so. It then gets, okay, so that's probably where that one goes, so we'll work that out in a second. It needs to be, if it comes out from underneath my foot. Right, so that needs to go up there. This needs to be tucked underneath this clip here, and they literally just clip back in underneath those hooks, like so. That one can go underneath those hooks as well. That's that. Then we can move it out of the way, but under there. So that one done. So now what we need to do is pop that round there. That can get tucked just underneath there, like so, and get tucked round like that. This needs to be clipped onto here with a little clip like so. I've done that one and that one already, and I've done that one already. Oh, it plugs into this one. Okay, so if I now put this wire into here, like so, that plugs into there. There we go. That wire needs to go underneath there as well, like that. That one needs to come around for the indicator there. So that one needs to be clipped onto there as well. So that's that bit there for now. We'll get this door one put in. So with this door one, we need to push it through here. Before we do, actually, we need to get this wire undone. So I've now freed up the speaker wire for the aftermarket speaker. Pull that through there, and that then needs to be fed through this. How did I do this last time? I think I pulled this, yeah I did, I pulled that off. Fed this through these holes in here. just like so. So we've got that through there now, look, we'll just pull that through. Pop that little rubber bung bit back on there, and then we'll keep putting that through as we're putting it onto the door. So now what we've got to do is push this through there, like so. So it comes all the way through there. And then we'll just tug this so it kind of meets and seats in where it should go. Wiggling the door if need to. So that's got to sit. Very nice. Right, get there in the end. And I'll put it in upside down. What an idiot. No wonder I was struggling to put it in. So basically we need to spin it round like so. Wonder if any of you guys noticed me putting it in upside down and thought you'd have a little laugh before I realised. Oh well, live and learn, eh? Do you know what that proves? It just proves I'm only human. So, now it's the right way round. I will pull the aftermarket speaker wire on the inside of the car so it takes up the slack of that. Because what we now need to do is we now need to put the plug together. Just like so. And then that will then screw into place. And should click. Yep, it's clicked. The two white lines, I don't know if you can see them, but I'll show you in a second. The two white lines are meeting up. That's perfectly sealed around there. Now the right way round. So I'll just you can see that the two white lines are lined up, and that's all done. So let's crack on with putting the rest of it together. So I've cable tied these wires for the door wiring down, because the clips that are on there are all broken, so that's going to just keep them nice and neatly out the way of the seat belt. I have, however, done the other side already, exactly the same, and I've done the front one as well. But don't worry too much, because I haven't done the passenger side front one, so I'm going to show you how to do that. And I haven't done all the wiring around by the handbrake, but that's pretty much easy. That is literally just a case of, this will just go on here, like so. That'll get clipped just inside there, like so. That little black bit there will come round and go onto there. And then we'll just take these nuts off. These are 13mm. Wind these down onto there, like so. And we'll tighten them up. Now what we need to do on the centre bit, I've lifted the handbrake up because I've tightened them up for the airbag module bit. We've literally got to take the airbag switch, connect the wire up to it. It doesn't matter which contact it goes on because they're exactly the same. So if we just pop that like so onto there, we can then run that carefully into there like so, tuck that round. If we give it a little bit of a jiggle, it'll go in eventually, just like so. That'll now sit down like that. And then we've got the little screw that came out of there, which was a T20 self-tapping type screw. And let's just nip that up a little bit more, just to make sure it's tight. Not too tight though, because we don't want to thread it out. And then just handbrake off, press the button in. Obviously handbrake on, it releases, handbrake off, button goes in. That's going to work absolutely fine. So that's that bit done. Let's get on to now onto the driver's door pod. This one's a little bit on the awkward side. So we've got the T20 Torx again, because we've got a door switch on this door. There isn't any door switches on the back doors, just so you was wondering, in case you was wondering. So it's the same kind of switch again with the contact. Doesn't matter what wire we put, what side we put the wire onto. Pop that screw down there for now. That can go down there. If I duck down here, I can get this on here. Let's move that out the way. Don't need that wire, so let's put that out the way. Right, so on this pod, we've got a lip round there which needs to seal on the outside. That's a bit of a pain in the backside. This one then needs to seal on the inside, and obviously that needs to screw onto the door. Now that needs to go up through this hole, which again is a bit awkward, and plug to the door switch. So if we do that bit first, just to make sure we're not getting tangled. So if we do that bit first, get my hand stuck probably, but we'll try to get that through there. Grab it this side, release my hand. I don't want to become part of the car. That can go onto there, that can go onto there, and then we've got the screw. And tighten that up. Again, it's a self-tapping screw, so you just want to nip it but not over stress it. So now what we need to do is we need to pop this through, and on the other side, because I have already done the other side, I found it easier to push this square all the way in so I could seal that and then pull it back out afterwards, but we'll see how things go. So let's just try and, that wire needs to go in there, we don't need that outside. If I push that right in for now, I can use both sides, pull one side and push the other side to hopefully get that to seat, but it's not playing ball, like just like I thought. And we're there, I think. Let's just double check. Yep. Wow, that was a mission. So now what we need to do is just put the connector into there. Which is like so. Have that line up. It's absolutely fine. And by the way, this is the only door on this car that actually holds itself open. The others want to all the other 4 doors want to shut you in. So now we need to get this rubber bung through here. Thought I'd reposition the camera for this one, otherwise my head would be in the way more than anything. So literally if I just pull this back through, like so, he says, no, so it does need to go, pull this back through like so. I can then rotate this round and push that up into there, like so. That can now have that side bit go in. That can now have that bit go in. And job done. So guys, just a final little update. I have cable tied the aerial wiring up there, because obviously that was tucked in that corner there. That's driver's door done with all the wires here, with the what I call the extension cable for the rear lights. That's actually a boot lid one, that one, but it's fine. Speaker wire just here. All the wires are clipped back except this orange one which goes to the seat. They're all clipped back, all top pin back. We've got the interior one, the centre wires for the handbrake. All that is done around there as well, with the passenger rear door. All the wires come around again. Another orange wire for the seat belt. These are for the seat belt tension, of these orange wires. And it all comes back up here. Well, this is the other speaker wire. And then finally the last door, which we've just done on camera. So that's going to be pretty much it, guys, for this video. I'm going to end this one here. Thank you for watching, guys. Please consider subscribing, as it helps the channel grow. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to ring the bell icon so you get all the updates of when I upload the future videos. If you like the content, chuck us a thumbs up. If you've got any questions in regards to anything I do on the channel, or any questions in general, chuck us a comment down below and I'll answer as best as I can. And if you want to see what I get up to throughout the day regarding before it comes on YouTube, you can check out my Instagram page. That's the ZX Guy, and I put sneak peeks of what I'm doing throughout the day on there before it hits live on YouTube. So what I'll do is I'll bid you farewell, guys. Take care, bye for now, see you in the next video.